In this tutorial, we'll be scoring participants' answers as either correct or incorrect. First, let's preview the task to see this in action. Here, participants are asked to drag and drop stimuli into the relevant category. At the end, we can then show participants their total score. To see how this has been set up, let's look at screen 1 of the trial display. We have a drop zone component which records the response animal when the stimulus is dropped. The second drop zone records the response plant. In the Screen tab, we have added a scorer component. This defines the correct answer for each trial. As the correct answer changes on a trial-by-trial basis, we have bound the scorer component to a column in the spreadsheet called Answer. In the spreadsheet, we can then see that answer column. This lists the correct answer for each trial, either plant or animal. Returning to the displays, you can see a Save Accuracy component has also been added to the same screen. We have set this up so that the number of correct answers given is saved to a field in the store called Correct. Finally, on the score display, we can show participants the number of correct answers by using the syntax which asks Gorilla to look in that field in the store and display the value.